Moving to Salesforce usually starts as a 3-line plan. Export, cleanup, import. It looks simple enough to treat as a quick technical task. But your data isn't a pile of records. It's a web of relationships. Every account tied to its contacts and deals. And that web is what makes it useful. Rush the move and the records arrive, but the relationships don't. Contacts orphaned, the tree flattened, dates flipped, duplicates piling up. It looks migrated until weeks later it doesn't. You rarely find out on day one. It surfaces weeks later when the reports don't add up and the team is fixing records by hand. So the shift is simple. The load is the last step, not the only one. Most of the work happens before and after the data moves. It starts by profiling and cleaning the source, merging duplicates, dropping dead records, fixing formats. Dirty data in is dirty data out. Then you map each source field to its Salesforce home and load parents before children, so the relationships have something to attach to. Before anything moves, you back up everything. A full export is your rollback point. No backup, no migration. You test the whole thing in a sandbox first, so the errors surface there instead of in production. Then you load for real. Automation's off, in controlled batches, off-peak, within the API limits, never one big dump. When it lands, you validate. Count every record against the source, confirm the relationships redrew intact, then turn automations back on. That turns migrated into trusted. One practical note: match the tool to the size. The import wizard for simple loads, data loader for most, ETL for complex ones. Do all that and your data arrives whole. Skip it and you pay quietly for months. Minuscule Technologies treats migration as engineering, not an export job. 160+ certified experts, 75+ projects, moving your data from any CRM or legacy system without disruption. Book a free strategic call.